A developer has provisioned an EC2 instance within a VPC private subnet. This VPC lacks internet access through a NAT or internet gateway. The instance is tasked with pushing messages to an SQS queue, but the operations are failing. Both the security group and the network ACL are set to their default permissive configurations. Which two of the following conditions could explain why the EC2 instance cannot successfully send messages to the SQS queue? Option A. The EC2 instance lacks an IAM role granting appropriate SQS access permissions. Option B. The security group is configured to restrict traffic destined for the SQS service IP addresses. Option C. The VPC lacks an interface endpoint specifically for the SQS service IP addresses. Option D. The subnet network ACL is configured to drop return traffic packets from the SQS service. Option E. The subnet route table is missing a static route for the SQS service IP range. In my view, the correct answers are A and C. To communicate with an Amazon SQS queue from a private subnet without an internet or NAT gateway, the instance requires an interface VPC endpoint. Without this endpoint, the instance has no path to communicate with the SQS service, making option C a primary networking cause for the failure. Furthermore, even if network connectivity is established, the application must be authorized to perform the action. If the EC2 instance lacks an IAM role or has an incorrectly scoped policy, the request will fail, making option A the second correct cause. Options B and D are incorrect because the scenario specifies the use of default security groups and network ACLs, which are configured to allow all traffic. Finally, option E is incorrect because interface VPC endpoints do not require specific static route table configurations to reach the service endpoint.